Hello there, welcome to the YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to watch ITV on Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this. So if you want to watch ITV, you have to make sure the application is installed. As you can see, I have it here installed already. But if you don't have it installed, then let's start by installing it. So to install it, go over to your App Store. On the App Store, it should look the same on every Hisense Smart TV if you've updated your Hisense Smart TV. So in the search box, please just come here and click and search ITV. And as you can see, here's the application over here. And if you search it, it's just going to bring you here. Since you already have it installed, it's just going to launch on our Hisense Smart TV. Now you can start by changing the language. You can choose the language that you want. I don't know the other languages, but I know English. And once you've chosen your language, just go ahead and close. So here's how it looks like. Here's the content over here. There's a lot of content. There are different categories here. There is TV, there is live, there is also video, there's eye track, there's also, and also you can cover here and log in to your account, because I think that's where you get full access if you log into your account, and you can look at the settings from here. So video player, all those stuff, you can choose them from here. But make sure to log into your account, which is very easy. Just type in your phone number, you get a code, and you can log in without any issues. So that's it about the application. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this.